I'm Ethan from High Power Performance in Auckland, New Zealand. I started off as a mechanic when I was real young, 15. I've been a mechanic for 20 years now. Always worked for performance shops the past few years before starting my own place, and I thought I can do this better. I've got my own ideas of what I want to do. No one wanted to listen. I was like, you know what, stuff it. Went out on a whim, sold the running gear out of my GDR to start the business, put a bit of money into it and just got straight into it. It started off in a real small shop in Browns Bay, about half the size of this one. Dwayne came along and he was like, look, I want to get at doing what I'm doing. I want to, I've got some ideas I want to do too. These guys don't want to listen, let's do it. So moved up to a bigger shop up here and yeah, been here for 4 or 5 years now, I think. I guess if someone didn't know who we were, and the first thing we'd say would be, we build GDRs. That is what our bread and butter is. We love the things. Inside, outside, I've owned every GDR you can imagine. We try to do the best quality work, value for money, and do things right the first time. It's all about quality over quantity. This one, for example, behind me is a good example. He was like, oh, bro, I've seen some cool engine bays you guys do. I just want black and gold in my white GDR. We're like, we got you. As I started my business, I went to GDR Fest, the very first one in Australia. And as I walked around, I was just blown away. Everything was next level. It was just crazy amounts of amazing builds. And that I came back and I was amped and I was like, man, I gotta do this. We can do this too. No one else was doing it across here at that time. GDRs were a thing, but people was kind of keeping them pretty boring. And we were like, nah, we're gonna shake that up a bit. We're gonna change things up. And that's what we did. I think we've done a pretty good job of it, and we're always striving to be better, do more. I love GDR Fest. It's the one time a year that does the one thing that we like to do. And so we try and hype all our customers up. Some of them can't make it for various reasons, but if we can be like, yo, bring your car down, people are gonna be there. There's international people coming across, bring your car down, we're gonna have a look. And it's cool, it's bloody amazing. We decided we were trying to get into a bit of a different market, so we thought, while we're doing GDRs, why not showcase what else we can do on a higher end car? Sold my GDR, sold my Evo, sold everything I had, and I was like, I'm just gonna buy one cool car. So I bought myself a Lamborghini. Had to be the LP16 because it's 4-wheel drive, and it seems to be another big thing in Australia. This is where I'm getting my inspiration from. All the Aussies are doing it. They're getting into Lambos, and we always trickle down from you guys, so that was the plan. I'm gonna build myself a twin turbo Lamborghini.
Hi, I'm Mike from Auckland, New Zealand. This is my Skyline. Well, I've come from having Evos, pretty much jumped ship straight to the GDR. Can't beat them really. Bought this car already pre-built, pretty much didn't have enough power. It only had about 750 kilowatt or something. Obviously wanted to go faster, so came to these guys at High Power and built 3.2. It was originally built for just 1,000 horsepower, like the most responsive for just the street, Got that and then I was not quite satisfied, as it rolls. And then next minute I started seeing James from JT Performance. He was driving me to pretty much, I wanted to beat him. So ended up pushing it further, got to where it is now. It's just under 1,000 kilowatt. Faster he gets, faster I want to get. So, it's good.
Mikey's R32 GTR runs a half grout-filled RB30 with Nitto 3.2 stroker kit, Nitto oil pump and head gasket with an extended sump, and there is a CNC ported head from Hughes Race Built with Ferreira valve train and Kelford camshafts with Kelford adjustable cam gears. There is Hypertune covers on top with PRP R35 coil kit in the middle. Boost is provided by a Precision 8385 turbocharger on a Hypertune exhaust manifold with twin Turbo Smart external wastegates. It blows through a Plasmaman intercooler into a CPC inlet manifold via a Bosch 82mm drive-by-wire throttle body, and it has dual fuel rails. There is a custom intake which gets cool air from the motive headlight duct and a custom 4-inch exhaust. It's controlled by a Haltech Elite 2500 ECU with an array of sensors including EGTs and closed-loop flat shift for the PPG 6-speed sequential transmission. There is a Haltech dash and keypad inside the stock interior with R34 GTR seats. It runs 15-inch Buddy Club wheels with drag radials to put down 1,000 kilowatts or 1,350 horsepower.
I've been trying for probably the last 3 years. Last year we came to quite a good race here, and then this year obviously didn't have his car there, but yeah, still got to race him and still took out the day. So. It definitely brought a lot more people out this year. I would love to race you, and I'd love to take it to Aussie. Definitely from here is contemplating going to the RD block. I don't know how far we're going to go yet, but we're going to go somewhere. I'd like to thank HRB for pulling the support at the last minute every time, and the boys at High Power Performance and Fueled by Fab. Massive thanks to them. It's always last minute.